Hey angels, it's time to prepare, spiritually and practically, for this blessed month, Ramadan. Before we dive into the video, we have to know that. What is Ramadan? Why it's important for Muslims? Why we are fasting on this month? So here are the answers. Ramadan, the 9th month of the Muslim calendar, is one of the most sacred times for Muslims. It is the month in which it is believed that the Holy Quran was sent down from heaven as a guidance for men and women, a declaration of direction, and a means of salvation. 5 benefits of fasting. Fasting can slow down aging, prevent the development of diabetes, thyroid disorders, hypertension and heart disease, and increase the chances of a long and healthy life. It also promotes weight loss. Let's start Ramadan preparations. One, you must understand Quran and try to recite Quran in your native language to know what Allah is trying to say in Quran appropriately. Believe me, it will increase iman and add brightness in your life. 2. Give up something for the sake of Allah. Give up on few things for Allah, such as music, nail paint. You can try on hijab. Forgive others. 3. Maintain your prayer. Pray namaz regularly. Do not skip it. If you miss prayer, it is a sin. 4. Transform your heart. Best way to transform your heart is to ask Allah for forgiveness, whatever mistakes you did in your past, all the bad deeds that you did, hypocrisy, jealousy. For all those sins, ask forgiveness from Allah. Allah loves who realize their sins. 5. Learn about Muhammad, peace be upon him, and Sahaba's life, and try to learn from their life and learn the way in which the US do Ramadan ibadah and fasting, so you can implement this in your life. 6. Try to prepare your body to leading up Ramadan by having well-balanced meals like whole grains, fruits, vegetables, and milkshakes. 7. Donate to those in need and volunteer your time to help others. 8. Minimize your screen time during Ramadan to focus on your spiritual growth and connection with loved ones. As we prepare for Ramadan, may Allah accept our efforts and grant us the strength to make the most of this blessed month.